Ruth posted a win. I want to celebrate this win. My total sales increased from $19,007 in March to $22,285 in April.
Yeah.
Way to
Awesome,
go.
Ruth.
That is a 17.24% increase. Congratulations. That is huge.
That is huge.
So, yeah, keep that up.
Yeah, amazing, Ruth. And if you can maybe think about like, what did you do to help increase those sales? Like, repeat whatever that pattern was, like repeat that and do more of it, like double down on what's working, like we always say. So if you ran a specific ad, you talked to a certain audience, whatever it was, try to remember what that was and see where those sales came from and do more of that, do more of what's working. So
yeah, so like if you were able to whittle it down to it was a specific ad that worked really well, or it was training, if you can reverse engineer what was chiefly responsible for that change, then yeah, definitely do more of that. I think in the end, like that's so much of humanity can be summed up by that, but I think a lot of the business world can be too. So like just do what works more, and what doesn't work, do less of. And I think that's a very simple rule of thumb to follow.
Yeah, when we're learning that a lot right now with the new business in Texas, like we're starting from scratch again. We're trying stuff we haven't tried before. We're experimenting in new ways. And so when we notice an experiment works well, we have a hypothesis, we do the experiment, and then we're like, oh, it worked not so well, or it worked really good. Let's do more of that. And like I said, every market's different. Every type of ad you write, or put out there is gonna be different. So see what works. Just try lots of things. And that's the beauty. It's your business. Like you can create and be very creative in like how you create that, how you get noticed, how you retain and create new customers, employees, whatever it is. So. But yeah, I'm excited for you. That's really awesome news, Ruth.
Celebrate the win, man. You got to celebrate those wins, no matter how big or small they are. And I think that was a really good one to hear.
Yeah, celebrate the win, but don't like stay there for too long, because you got to keep going. And just like because sometimes people get comfortable. They're like, I made it. I don't think you're ever going to make it. Like you're always going to be trying to get to that next level, and that's a positive, like healthy mindset to have. Is like have a healthy dissatisfaction, like with getting to where you want to be. Like be satisfied, like it's awesome, but just keep going, and don't settle for that. Like you can keep going for sure.
All right, Ruth said we applied all the things we learned from the course. While Brandon and I would love to take credit for this, like you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. We're just giving you guys information. That was all you, Ruth. Ruth, you put the info into practice. So it's good to know that the information is good, but that is all you.
Yeah, and at the end of the day, like it's scary running a business. It's scary hiring people. It's you can have fears. That's okay, but take action, and that's what you did, Ruth. That's what got you to a solution. That's what helped your goals become more realistic. Is taking action, and when you take that action, it's very funny because all of your fears melt away because you get momentum, and that's what you need to keep up is the momentum, and just taking action.